SCMNT, Uniting Filipino People.
For the headlines, Court junks arrest warrant of Senator Trillanes. SK scribe surge INHS for DSPC 2018. Mini press conference kicks off in INHS. Rio Panero smashes Ismael Juna in men's single.
Live from the National Telecommunication Network, this is UNC.
One nation,
One united vision.
good afternoon Philippines.
Good afternoon, South Central Mindanao.
Today is Thursday, October 25 and you're watching UNC
United News Center. We're your modern herald for today's event. EJ Pelano,
and Aisha Mama.
and for the details.
Department of Justice's plea for the arrest warrant of Senator Trillanes was denied by the Makati Regional Trial Court. We have our UNC patroller Joyce Gaas. Can you give us more details, Joyce?
Two Makati courts, branches 148 and 150, handled the charges against Trillanes after the 2003 mutiny, 2007 siege.
How are you, sir?
Well, una sa lahat, tayo po ay nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon na pinagbigyan niya ang mga kahilingan ng mga lahat ng nananalangin na manaig ang tama.
After Trillanes and his fellow mutineers were granted amnesty in 2011, the two courts dismissed the cases against them. United for Change, this is Joyce Gaas reporting.
Thank you, Joyce. Waves of young journalists from Sultan Kudarat surge Isulan National High School for this year's Division Schools press conference. 893 student scribes, along with their coaches, gather on 24 to 26 of October with the theme Fostering 21st Century Skills and Character-Based Education Through Journalism. Top 5 qualifiers in individual categories and best performers in each group events will form new teams and will represent Sultan Kudarat in the 2018 Regional Schools Press Conference to be held at General Santos City next month.
Mini press conference kicks off for DSPC 2018. Live online from Isulan National High School, we have our UNC patroller May Robles. May, what's your current situation there?
Yes, EG. As you can see, we are here now witnessing the closing remarks of Ma'am Mary Grace B. Lesa for the 2018 Division Schools Press Conference here in Isulan National High School, where 50 schools are in attendance to compete.
One of the highlights of the event is the mini press conference with Mr. Antonio Maganto Jr. as the guest speaker who has talked about responsible journalism.
I could say that journalists today are far more responsible and aware of their responsibility. So if people have a bad regards with our journalists or mainstream journalists, one thing is for sure, people would always see the truth. And being a journalist, you should start expressing what is truth and revealing what is truth and preventing yourself from being paid by other people just to proliferate good news.
He also emphasized that in responsible journalism must learn to express rather than to impress.
Being responsible means knowing what to write and knowing how to express rather than to impress.
At this moment, we can really feel the pressure as this competition begins, and we expect it to rise up more. That is the latest updates here in Isulan National High School Gymnasium. United for Change, this is May Robles reporting.
Thank you, May, for this live update. More stories will be revealed after this short break. I organize graphics and text with my editing skills.
I capture moments that touches people's lives. I write with clarity and no bias.
I use my voice to deliver news in multiple angles.
I express my views and opinions through arts. We became journalists to come as close as possible to the heart of the world. You're still watching United News Center. Time out for some sports update. Rio Pareño smashes Ismael Jimla in men's singles badminton 21-17. To fill in other details, we have Dayan Hepilano. Dayan?
With blazing shots, Rio Pareño smashes Ismael Jimla in a sweep-off match 21-17 happened in Isula National High School on Wednesday, October 24, 2018.
Jimla started the game with a furious backhand smash but failed, and Pareño tried to score by launching several smashes that surprises his opponent, causing Pareño to overpower the match. As the game slowly coming to its end, the heat began where they rallied, but Pareño managed to own a point and ended the game with a bang, 21-17.
The said match will be a preparation for the players for their upcoming triangular meet this October 28 to 29, 2018. United for Change, this is Dayan Hepelano reporting.
And that's all for today's 5-minute sizzling news.
To our fellow UNC community, we only have 62 days before Christmas.
Just make sure to check the expiration date and ICC stickers of the products you're buying this holiday.
Once again, we are your modern heralds for today's events. EJ Hepelano
And Aisha Mama, delivering the news in multiple angles
towards one united direction.
This is
United News Center.